you draw a parallel to what, say, you're doing now from a technology point of view, and the size and scale of things, I mean, can you like just maybe tell us a little bit about what's happening now versus how do you see things different? More people, more technology, more again, just
Yeah, it's interesting, right? I mean, what you mentioned, I mean, I would say the transition was happening. We moved from tape, we are now completely tapeless, file based workflows. Everybody talks about the cloud. A lot of people talk about the cloud as if content just disappears somewhere. You know, it's effectively the same machines, they're just co located somewhere else. You are
yeah,
now more connected. Internet and fiber connectivity has become really, really big. And I think a lot of that existed. However, with so many platforms now coming in, visibility, that's what's changed drastically. All of us are content producers. That's exactly what we're doing
correct,
right now. Which didn't exist earlier. You had to invest in infrastructure and a setup to be able to even do a small show. Now people
right,
are actually doing it with a cheap mobile phone that's probably 10-15,000 rupees at best.
yep,
So I think that's where it's changed a lot. It's also meant a lot of opportunity. It's given a lot of freedom to people to be able to do things. But I think one thing that probably is not changed for the good is that everybody believes that there is a shortcut to doing things. You just, the amount of time that we spent, in the first 10 years of my career, doing things, I think there is no substitute to doing time and learning things in that way, which has been a big change that I see now. Some of the kids that I interview, and I call them kids now, just out of college, and I think I didn't know my head from my ass, and excuse my language, but I had no clue at 22, 23 what I was doing, from
yeah,
the initial things that I mentioned to you about my career. Things just came up and you picked up. Kids today are very clear, and people today are very clear on what they want to do. But with all of that also comes a fact that they just believe that by doing 6 months or 1 year, they are experts in the space that they're in.
right, right,
So I think those things have changed. Technology, yes, has moved pretty fast, I would say. And if you ask me, the maximum transition of technologies happened in the last 6 weeks. So actually
wow,
COVID has led to technology transformation more than any organization pretty much put together. You've been forced to look at things that you've never seen in the way that you probably have.